Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am Riya Thakur. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So basically today we are here to review a product which is from Nature Essence. So which is from Nature Essence Flawless Papaya Facial Kit, which we are gonna try now, and let's see the results. So yeah, let's move on. Guys, basically you can see my before facial फेस और फिर हम आफ्टर फेशियल फेस भी करेंगे सो प्लीज लुक इट हियर सो गाइस लेट्स टाई द हेयर फर्स्ट देन हम फ्लोलेस पपाया फेशियल किट यूज करेंगे आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर द रिजल्ट सो या लेट्स सी गाइस बेसिकली लाइक डे टू डे वर्किंग डेज में बहुत हाँ डे टू डेज वर्किंग शेड्यूल में हमें बहुत काम ये वो बाहर की धूल मिट्टियों की वजह से जो फेस में डर्ट इंसर्ट होता है उसी के लिए है दिस नेचर एसेंस फ्लॉलेस पपाया फेशियल किट विच इज वी गोना ट्राई टुडे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट द रिजल्ट कम्स. So I am excited for the result. Basically, this is a Nature Essence brand, which is just for rupees 260 rupees. This is a package of 260 rupees. In this we can do three use. This is a three use pack. So basically we can use for the three times, three people or three times we can use in budget friendly for only 260 rupees. We can use for 3 days. 3 days in the sense three use pack hai ye basically. सो या लेट्स ओपन इट. इस 45 मिनट्स घर पे ही हम अच्छा खासा फेशियल कर सकते हैं तो बाहर जाना क्यों. सो या लेट्स डू दिस पपाया फ्लॉलेस फेशियल. This is how you have to open, which is look like this. Okay, let me tell you what it contains. First is D10 therapy, which is totally free of cost. Pre-facial prepare, yeah. Then we got cleanser. Then we got exfoliate. Then we got nourish. Then polish. So first we will use this D10 therapy. So guys, D10 therapy is totally free of cost, which is how to use और क्या कैसे use करना है पूरा प्रोडक्ट के पीछे लिखा हुआ है. How to use, what to do, when to do, कब करना है, कैसे करना है, कब वॉश करना है, कब ड्राई करना है, टोटली इसके पीछे सब लिखा हुआ है. So basically D10 therapy is a wipe of mask, is also recommend as a pre facial treatment जो टैन एंड ऑल जो होता है ना फेस पे जो टोटली हमें गायब कर देता है, which is D10 therapy. So we will start from a D10 therapy. So we will start with the D10 therapy wipe of mask, which is we have to apply for 15 minutes a thick layer on our face for 15 minutes from face to neck for 15 minutes. After that we have to massage for 2 minutes, and then from with wet tissue we have to dry it. So let's do it.
So guys, this is how we have to take a thick layer and put it on our face. The amount, the way we have to put is like this: a thick layer over all around the face and neck.
This is how you have to apply full face and neck. So after apply we will meet you. So guys, basically this is how you have to apply from face to neck. So we will keep this for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes we will meet you. So guys, after 15 minutes we have to massage like this for 2 minutes. मेरा phone गिरा था, sorry guys. So this is how we have to massage for legit 24 2 hours. So after massaging for 2 minutes, now we have to gently wipe our face with a wet tissue or a wet towel like this. Face after detanning. So now the second product which we are using, second in the sense first, which is cleanser, flawless papaya cleanser, you guys can see. So this is what we have to use as a clean. Now we have to just sparkle some water, sprinkle this water on our face. Then we have to just apply the cream once in over our whole skin. Then we have to upward strokes. Matlab like we have to do like this for 5 minutes, and then we have to wipe off with a wet cotton. So let's do it. So guys, now we will sprinkle some water in our face. Just normally, yeah. Not so ज़्यादा, not so ज़्यादा कम, not so ज़्यादा कम. Like this, we will sprinkle some water in our face. Now we have to apply this cleanser for legit 5 minutes, and we have to massage our face for only 5 minutes in the upward direction. I will show you how. How. Everything is written behind the package, how to use, how to apply, and everything. So don't worry to buy or purchase this. We have to like do this like for 5 minutes. Now it's the time is 11:20. So I will do this for 25 till 25. Like this upward direction you have to do, guys. Then again 5 minutes you have to wipe with a wet cloth. So after 5 minutes, let's meet again. After cleanser, I wash my face. You can see. So now the second we're gonna use. Only after the cleanser you can see the change, guys. So next one is exfoliate flawless papaya scrub, which is a scrub. So basically we have to just apply on our scrub over your skin. Basically everything is written behind, so we have to just apply the scrub over your skin and massage gently upward strokes for legit 5 minutes, and after that we have to just massage only scrub. Then the fine rice powder in the cream gently explodes your skin, leaving it clear, smooth, and ready for step 3. So let's do it. See, this is so beautiful in color. Wait, man, so beautiful. It's feeling like I can eat this. Can I eat this, please? Smelling so good, so means so. I want to eat now. Yes. Massage like this for 5 minutes, and after that I will meet you in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of massaging, we don't have to wipe, we just have to tap on the face with the white clothes like this. So guys, the third part is massage cream, nourish massage cream. So basically this, how to use this: apply the cream and dot over your skin, massage it gently over your face and neck with your fingertips like this in upward stroke like this for 15 minutes. Allow the potent papaya extract in the cream to clear small blemishes your skin in now. So yeah, let's do it. The third part, which is nourish massage cream. So this is how you have to put dot dot dot, and now you have to just massage with your fingertips for 15 minutes like this. You have to this fingertip, and you have to just do like this, do the boogie boogie. You have to do like this, just use your fingertips for 15 minutes. So yeah, let's meet up to 15 minutes, guys. So guys, this is the fourth one and the last but not the least. This is polish pack. This is the last pack. So basically ये एक last pack है. Apply the pack in a layer over your face and neck. Close your eyes and relax for 5 minutes while the pack lactic acid in the pack clears and smoothen your skin tone. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and dab your face dry. So let's do it. Guys, इसकी smell इतनी damn है ना. I'm just in love with this smell. ये जन्नत smell है guys. We have to keep this only for 5 minutes. So let's. Now you have to apply over your face and neck. I just applied on my face. So yeah. Now we will relax. मतलब I will relax for like 5 minutes, and after that we have to just wash it. And ये dry होने से पहले wash कर लेना ताकि मतलब just wash it. So yeah, this was the last step. I washed my face. You can fool. Now we just have to dry our face. Tap 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 tap. So guys, this is my face. This is the result you can see. So flawless papaya. You can see this is my flawless skin. Guys, that's it for the video. I hope you loved the video product review. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so you can see the result. मैं before after pic तो attach कर ही दूंगी. So yeah guys, do like, comment and share, subscribe to my channel.